Silent, please. Hello guys. Can you please confirm whether am I you can able to hear me properly? Is it my video is okay? Are you able to see my video and screen MT4 screen? Just confirm in the chat box. Okay, clear. Okay, right. So let's wait for a few more minutes. Okay, people to join, then we can proceed. Uh, uh, background. Do you hear any background noise or is it okay? Any disturbance from my end? Let me know also. Just give me a second. Just give me a second. Okay. All right. So let's see some music. Okay. Okay. Very good morning, everyone. Once again. Uh, just give me a second. These. It's really difficult to manage the kids and even wife. So they are like turning on television and watching the serials, and this guy, my 3-year old uh, kid, is watching some rhymes. I don't know how to manage them. So even after telling so many times, though they are not hearing me, what can I do? So bear with me. Anyways, we are going to talk less. We're going to jump into the action. Okay. How many of you guys are there? Let me check. Okay, 16 viewers are there. Okay, great. I think we can proceed. We can directly jump into the analysis. Then we'll try to take a trade before 1 o'clock. Okay. So I took Euro USD, and let's see Euro USD. Let's zoom in. And by the way, this is our My Forex Fund account, $5,000 account, challenge account. Okay. So in 4 hour, can you see this one? Right. I hope you can see this. There's a wick broken by the wick level, and that candle is already touched. That candle already touched, and market is reacted. Okay, 50% is also already touched. Market is already reacting. And if you notice something here, this is also wick broken by the wick level, and that level also already touched, and market is pushing up. So what we can do now? This candle, full candle and a half candle. Maybe like once again we'll try if we get any lower time frame confirmation, we can take one sell entry based on this break, and now price is approaching here, right? So we can try to take a trade from here. Okay, that is one thing we can do in Euro USD. Let's take a GBP JPY. GBP JPY is missing here, so let's add GBP JPY. JPP JPY. Yeah, GBP JPY. Okay, let's open the GBP JPY here. We have a lot of tabs opened. Let's close those. So GBP JPY, let's take a 4-hour chart. Maybe let's take okay, what we are seeing here is, maybe let's do one thing. Let's take a daily chart first. Do we have anything here? We don't have anything here. But what we are witnessing here is the GBP JPY is trying to go above these highs. Okay, it's trying to go above these highs. So this is like equal high, right? So kind of equal high. 1, 2, 3. 3 days. 3 days equal high. So market might go above, and it can manipulate the highs and go down. Okay, so maybe we can if it is goes above, we can try to take some sell entry. Let's go 4 hour. Okay, So it is still here only. Let's see. Especially these highs are really high. What do you call it? The manipulation zone. So liquidity pool is there above this. So we have to be careful a little bit. Yes, liquidity. Okay. Meanwhile, if you are seeing something, maybe let me know also. So we can look for different currencies. If you're watching any other currencies, maybe let's take a trading view. Let's open the tradingview.com. So that is really easy to see the thing. Tradingview.com. Trading. Okay. Going through the things in the trading view is really easy. So that's the reason. Okay. Let's go to maybe different pairs. Let's take a gold. We're in a gold. Over time frame. Okay, gold is, I think it's already reacting from this level, bottom level. What is happening here? Okay, gold again, it's created the manipulation, and manipulation is testing, and gold is kind of reacting from that level. Okay, let's go to the gold. Let's go to the gold. Gold is not added. See, today morning only I opened this account. So that's the reason nothing is properly arranged. I mean, yesterday evening I have opened the account, but today morning only it's got activated. Gold. Let's take a gold. So okay, zoom in. Okay, gold is now currently it is ranging. You can see this kind of ranging here. So let's wait. So we have a beautiful selling level for gold here, right? This is a beautiful selling level. Full candle, half candle. Yeah, this one we can take. Sell entry. Okay. USD JPY. Okay, we'll see the USD JPY. This is good selling level for gold. And the USD JPY. Okay, I accidentally closed the other one. Great. So it is reaching this level, right? This manipulation candle. Okay, it is already reached, but second time it is coming, maybe like a 50%. Something like this. This is a 50%. So this is like 50%, right? Yeah, this is a 50%. Okay, momentum is starting because the European session is opening, right? So the momentum, you can see the momentum. Market is pushing up. That is a missing opportunity, right? This is okay. It's pushing up. How much is the stop loss here? 500 points. This is crazy. So this is pushing up in 5 minutes. Even in a 15 minutes, it's pushing up. Pushing up, pushing up. Yeah, you can see the 10-minute swing point here. 10-minute swing point that is touched and pushing up is happening. Let's wait. 120 each given. Okay, great. Euro USD, gold. Gold is you can, if you can see here, gold is like gold is broken the structure and reacting from this swing point. From this swing point, it is reacting. It's going up. Now, what we can do now? We'll wait for gold to break this structure, at least this structure. Okay. Then, as soon as this structure is broken, we can try to take a trade from here. A buy entry, and we can target over there at the top. So let's see. Let's see. So now patience time. Patience time. We need to wait patiently. So Euro USD 15 minutes. Euro USD 15 minutes. You can see there is a top swing point, right? So that is still a good level to trade. How much stop loss? 180 point stop loss. So you can see it's pushing up. It's touched this level and pushing down. Now it is pushing up. So we can expect potential trade from here. USD JPY is reacting. Okay. Let's look for some other pair, maybe GBP USD. So daily chart GBP USD. We don't have, unfortunately, anything. Push down, push up, push down, push up. We have something here, but it is take much time to go over there. 4 hour we can see something here. Right, wick broken by the wick. We don't have break after that. That's not a matter. This is already touched, but you can still take one more entry from here. Now what's happening here is here also you can see some wick broken by the wick. Okay, so this is your level. Maybe let's go 15 minutes. Right, wicks broken by the wicks. Price, oh, again this is again happened, right? You can see this, there's a breakout structure. Price touched this level, pushed up, missed 106 points. But let's wait for one more time. We want to see one more breakout structure, right? We want to see one more breakout structure like here. So you want to see this one. Once it's broken, maybe we can try to take a trade once again from here. Right. Guys, this is not tutorial session, okay? So we have discussed so many times week broken by the week concept. So many times. Go through the recordings. Or I hope you guys are attended the refresher session also. We are not here for teaching you the strategy. This is like live action. Okay, we are going to take a trade. If you don't understand this, please go through the recordings which we have already given. And even in this Monday also we have conducted the week broken by the week concept, right? This Monday and this Wednesday we have spent almost 3 hour 4 hour to explain everything. So I cannot explain right now. Okay, please go through the recordings. Vinayak saying that NZD USD. Okay, let's see that NZD USD. NZD USD. Okay. Meanwhile, we'll see this. Any progress here? USD JPY. Let's wait for 11:30. Okay, 11:30 markets will be like opening, and 11:30 NZD Australian markets will be closing. So it is not wise choice to trade NZD at now when session closing time. But anyways, let's see that. Yes. NZD is it's already in a bearish trend, right? It's already going down. So let's zoom in. So we have a wick broken by the wick. Full candle, which is not a touched, I guess. I think touched slightly. We can we have one more thing here, right? Which is beautiful. Okay, you have a full candle. Let's go to 15 minutes. Okay, this candle is our this is also already touched. Let's look for one more time, maybe 100 points. 100 points stop loss. Okay, this can be our buy entry once again. If you notice here, it's already broken the structure in 15 minutes. And you have one more level here, right? So that level is already touched. Market is pushing up, little bit pushed up, and it's pushing down. We can expect price can still come here to this candle, this particular candle. Okay, so we can look for maybe 50%. From here we can look for a 50% entry. Okay, and because now it is kind of coming down, so there is a chance it can react from here. So can we sell from the top? Yes, we can do that also, but unfortunately the session timings closed, right? Australian and New Zealand sessions will be closing by 11:30. 11 o'clock it will be closing. So, but we can still say that 11:30 till 11:30. Is it broken? It is not broken. It is not broken yet. For those who don't understand this, please go through the recording, guys, because recently we have shared the recording in the Telegram group, right? And also you can go through your bootcamp videos also. In bootcamp videos, day 4, I have explained this in our bootcamp classes, right? Day 4, I have explained this simple way of trading. Okay, please go through that. How many of you guys are there? Let's say 25 people are there. Okay, great. Super. Maybe we'll do one thing next week. If I don't have any commitment, we can do evening session live stream. Okay, evening live stream. Maybe like 4 o'clock we'll start live stream. We'll end by 10 o'clock or maybe like 11 o'clock in the evening, in the night, because evening sessions are most volatile sessions, so we can get more opportunities. That's a reason. At least once in a month we'll try to do that in an evening session. Okay, now breakout structure happened in GBP USD happening. Okay, so this is the level we can look for buy. The breakout structure is happening. The first break happened here. Price touched this manipulation candle. Can you see this? There is a first break and manipulation candle is tested. Price pushing up. It's breaking the structure. So we can try to take an entry from here. So let us measure the stop loss. Total stop loss 55 point. So I think we can take direct entry here and we can put stop loss here. What I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna take a 1 mini lot trade here by entry. But let's wait for 4 more minutes to the structure to break. You can go 5 minutes also. You can see it's already broken. It's already broken. Break of structure is happening. Imbalance also filling. Now this is really uh, riskiest trade. Why? Because if you go to the 4-hour time frame, market is still bearish. Market is still bearish. We are looking for buying from here, so which is really riskiest trade. But market anyways has to go here, right? So it has to touch this manipulation or this candle. So for that it has to push up. So we are trying to take trade from this push up. So we should have taken this trade, this one, this manipulation when that happened. So this manipulation is touched here, right? So we'd have taken that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 hour before. 1 hour before means at 10:30, somewhere around 10:30, 10:15 itself, we could have taken this trade. So this is some decent trade, right? This is like 130 point, $13. Anything else? Let's see. Good morning once again to everyone. Everyone, good morning. So Let's take a look at the US oil, crude oil. Crude oil is pushing up, all right. Crude oil is again reaching to this level. This is the weekly zone, weekly manipulation zone. Or let's go to the monthly zone. Monthly, it is kind of double side manipulation. You can see it's a monthly double side manipulation. This side, lower side manipulation, and slightly manipulated the high also. So that is the level crude oil is checking up. This is the level. You can see here. Somebody is calling, or if GST. Let's see here. And you can see some imbalance here, I think. Some small imbalance in weekly chart. This is the weekly chart imbalance. Okay, that is already filled. No any recent levels, no such levels. Rohit, what are you asking? Are you asking? Sir, the first zone you have marked manipulation and BOS, but before giving the BOS price tested, that candle. So if it is tested before BOS, still we can count that one. I have told this so many times. Your zone can be tested 100 times also. You are going to look for the lower time frame confirmation, right? In that situation, you can still trade, right? You have a zone tested first before breakout structure, after breakout structure, tested first, tested second, tested third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. Every time it is testing, you are looking for the lower time frame breakout structure. So you are going to trade based on that only, right? Yeah, that is. If it is there, you can take a trade. If it is not there, you can avoid. So this, when you mark the zones, it will be testing. So many times it will be testing. So you cannot perfectly find the fresh zones. So better even if it is tested already. So you can look for the lower time frame. So by the way, you can trade. Okay. Gold. There is no such movement. Gold is trying to. It is not breaking the structure. It is trying to going down. It just took the money from the top and it is pushing down. Do we have any level in the gold before? I think we have a level here. So this, if you see here, as Mr. Rohit asked, this is the important level, right? This is an important level, and that level tested so many times. You can see it's tested so many times. It tested here also, and if you see, it is tested here also. Okay, now it is coming inside we are trying to look for lower time frame breakout structure. So if we get that, we can still trade from here. So so based on the confirmation, we can trade. Now this is a full candle. This is on a half. Somewhere here is off. Its off is already touched. Off is already touched, and it's kind of reacting. So this is also kind of good level. So break of structure, price pushed from here, right? Price pushed from here. So this level, the opportunity is already given, but now it is pushing down. Maybe it is coming to this level. From this level, we can try to take a trade. So this is how much. So 90 points. So pushing down. What happened to GBP/USD? GBP/USD is going up, right? Great. So what we can do now? We'll put buy entry here and put stop loss here because it's 55 points, right? So I'm gonna put a line here. This is my buy entry. This is my stop loss. Okay, 55 point stop loss. So let's tools, new order, pending order, buy limit, 1 micro lot, sorry, 1 mini lot, not micro lot, 1 mini lot. And where we are now put buy, this is 1.27139. Okay, 1.23, sorry, 1.27139. Let's say 140. Okay, rounded number, 1.27140. You can better you try to take a round number. Now we are not looking for further confirmation. We are going to take a direct trade because the stop loss is 60 points, so which is decent. Okay, so stop loss 1.27080, 1.27080. Okay, so one mini lot, pending order, place. So we go place the order. Right, let me delete the lines. So how much we'll be losing if stop loss hits? I'll be losing $6. Now target we have not set yet. Maybe we can target this high. This high is our target. We can trial our stop losses. So by the way, we can 160 point. That's okay. $16. So why I put here? There is a chance this order block can also work, and there is a chance it can come to the 50% of this level also. Again, once again. So since stop loss is it's okay, $6. That's okay. So we are taking trade here. So it's reacting from here. Now this is, as I told you guys, this is the riskiest trade. Why? Because our original direction is sell. Original direction is sell. Market is like pushing down, pushing down, pushing down, pushing down. Now recently it started to push up and push up. So we are expecting buy entry from here. It can go to the top. We don't want to like till the top, but we can be like at least aim some 150 points, something like that. Sorry, you don't keep a buffer between the our zone and stop loss. Usually I don't do that. because I let, if even if a stop loss hits, I let I'll allow to hit. The thing here is like $6 stop loss, which is very decent one. So why we need to again give more buffer? And we are looking for the 15 minutes time frame only, right? 15 minutes candle high and 15 minutes candle. If it is 5 minutes, no, I will do that. 5 minutes breakout structure, 5 minutes order block means I will like, if it is 60 point stop loss, I'll put 100 point stop loss. Even though it is 60 point, I'll adjust into the 100 point. Okay. Since this is a mini lot, right? $6 is okay-ish. But if I put 100 points, then $10 stop loss. So $10 stop loss is which is decent, right? 800 rupees, which is decent. You can put that still. But let's see how it works, right? This is the riskiest trade, as I told you guys. This is again a riskiest trade, but we'll see. Even if it is hits, that's okay. So here now, what's happening? Uh, okay, this is reacting from this level, this small order block level, right? So some rejection is happening. Now this can be a market opening. What do you call it? Opening move. So European sessions are opening, right? So that may be the reason it's pushing up. Gold is crazy. It's going down. Gold is going down means US dollar is getting strong, I guess. Not onto this. US dollar is strong. So US dollar is strong means GBP will be bearish. So we are looking for buy. So we are looking for counter trend. What script you put for pending order, please? Script, there is no script. F9, press F9, you get this window. Okay, you have market execution. First you have a simple, then second you have market execution. This is instant order. So click this, you have a pending order, that's it. Pending order, put the information and place. Which price we want to buy, how many you want to buy, stop loss how much, take profit, everything you can put and you can close. So we placed order. Let's look for some more orders. Unfortunately, everything is very slow except gold. Gold kind of pair, we need to take a proper trend trading. Okay, so gold is always dangerous. So trend trading is the best option in the gold. Reacting from this level, weak level, right? So gold is getting strong, I guess. What happened to GB, Euro USD? Euro USD, we haven't marked anything. We have marked this big portion. Full candle, half candle. And I think I have taken this only this one. Oh, sorry. Now euro USD we are looking for lower time frame confirmation. So we are looking for at least 5 minutes breakout structure. Let's see that. It's going inside very fast manner, and you have a buying level here. So this is the selling level, this is the buying level in 5 minutes. So if it goes inside, we look for breakout structure, then we can take a trade. So what is the stop loss? Overall stop loss. Overall stop loss is 193 point. So which this risk we cannot take. Maybe like we can take 100-point stop loss. But again, we will look for 5 minutes breakout structure. Then we can take a trade. So this one is getting strong. GBP USD. Sorry, GBP USD I put pending order. Rohit, you can go through the internet. You will get lot of tutorials. Don't expect from me, but I will definitely give you. But it will take some time. You guys are seeing that this week itself we have connected thrice. This is the third time we are connecting, right? I have other things. I told you guys, like I have been writing the book also. So that is my priority job now. I have been speaking with the different peoples, and I have been paying these people for giving the idea to write the book. So for consulting charges, everything. But I have I have not touched that part, right? I have been connecting with you guys at least thrice in a day, thrice in this week. Last week we have connected with the psychology session. Next week also we are going to connect with you guys. Next week, Monday, Tuesday, in between. So we are going to connect with you guys. So MT4, you can go through the YouTube, right? I can make. So I have to make. I have to spend some time. I have to make that. Okay, but this isn't all. You can do this, right? So don't expect everything from me. Put some. Just go to YouTube, search MT4 demo. You will get a lot of videos. A lot of people making contents on that. Okay, but as I promised, I will give you. But for that, I have to be free. Okay. So in between, I need to take my own trades also. My own account trade. Why I'm saying this? No, because a lot of people, when I spoke to them personally, why are you not trading? I'm asking them, sir, you did not given me the MT4 video. That's why I did not trade. I'm not trading. That is and all. You should not say that excuses and all, right? Similarly, some people told me that, sir, you are not completed the, you have not shared me the, what do you call it, the PDF. That's why I'm not trading. So this is not excuses. So you have to put some effort at least. You should not expect everything from me. Something you need to do by your own. By the way, you can like you can become better at that. Euro USD showing some push down, right, from this level. Okay. I understand one thing. Why people are charging 10,000, 30,000, 40,000, 50,000, 1 lakh for smart money strategies? Because people have this tendency. I want to tell you this. People have this because based on my experience, something we are charged 3,000 rupees, right? People have the tendency that, oh, 3000 rupees, small amount, so the learning will also will be very small. Okay. And other thing is they expect more. They paid less, they expect more. Oh, I want that, this. They don't get that satisfaction. Oh, in 3000 rupees we got this much things. We are receiving this much thing. That is called gratitude. In psychology session I told you guys, right? Oh, I have paid 3000 rupees, but I'm getting all these things. But if you go with any live trading sessions or any kind of the refresher session with other mentors, I can promise you that they will charge you more. They will charge you for everything they are for the that is their own way of doing the thing. They will charge you more for every single session. One session, 2 hours, they are charging. But people think that, oh, this they are charging means they will get something. But when you get something for free or something for lower price, our brain will always say that, oh, it is lower price, so it won't be having anything, or it will not give you any additional benefits. That is a tendency. We need to change that. That's the reason and in the first last week itself I talked about the gratitude, the thank you psychology, meditation thing. That is important. So if you are thankful for the something, you will get more. So instead, at the same time, we need to put some effort also, right? Small things you should not expect. You should put some effort. If you go through the internet, and people used to ask, how do I transfer the crypto coin into the? This is also one guy told me that, sir, you did not talk about the crypto transfer to your what do you call crypto to broker account. That's why I did not trade. Now I told so many times that go to YouTube, just search in the internet how to transfer crypto cryptocurrency to FX broker account, Forex broker account. If you search, you will get lot of tools, even in the Google, even in the YouTube also. Or maybe you can put some specific broker, like maybe like OctaFX. They have given the thing how to deposit OctaFX in forex trading. If you go here, they will give you step by step how can I transfer through wallet, how can I trade cryptocurrencies, how can I transfer the crypto, how can I current, everything they have given. You can see Bitcoin in OctaFX videos. But you need to give me. You are a mentor, you need to give me. So that attitude you need to change. See, similarly, MetaTrader 4 tutorial. Okay, MetaTrader 4 or MT5. See how many in Hindi, maybe you can do in Hindi. See, guys. Hindi, Malayalam, Telugu, Tamil, all language will be there because they have already done this. But why I told you guys, my ways and their ways are going to be same, because software is software. We are going to explain the same. Okay, you can search, you can get the thing. But if you still have question, oh, I don't understand this part, I don't understand this part, then you can ask me. Okay, because it will take another 1 hour of my time. So hope you understand. All right. Pushing up. Equal high has been taken. This is equal high has been taken, and I think it has touched this also, this manipulation. pushing down. I'm in a 3 minutes time frame. Liquidity is taken from that equal high. Let me do one thing. Let me just close this. Liquidity is taken from this equal high, and I think it is touched here. Okay. Let's look for one breakout structure. Okay. If we got one breakout structure, we can again sell from here top. But I don't think so. It will be happening. But we want to see one breakout structure here. Then we can sell from this week. We can sell from this week, and we can target this low or this swing low. Let's see whether it is happening or not in 3 minutes. We are in a 3 minutes time frame. So now you okay. I think yesterday you guys not yesterday I have told people that in the session you have like this is the equal high. Okay, this is equal high means above which you have a liquidity. So price can still try to take that also. Once it taken the liquidity, then it can come down. So even though this level look like selling level, good manipulation candle, but understand one thing here. This look like a manipulation candle, but above which you can see the equal high is present. So we have to be really careful. Sorry. So direct trades are not allowed from this level. You need to look for the confirmation because it can still go little bit above this line. Okay, and if I zoom out little bit, you can see here there is a breakup structure, right? And before that it was like breaking the lows only, breaking the low, breaking the low, breaking the low, breaking the low. So there is a break to the upside, then price fell down, gone above, broken to the downside. Okay, so this is still a manipulation candle. This is still a manipulation because it's broken upside and broken downside, right? So this is still the level you can again look for a selling opportunity. But let's see how it goes. This inside price action, in this level inside price action, how price action is react from this level. Yeah, that might be the reason because before the news, if to evening you have a news, high impact news, The daytimes it can be like ranging. It can be ranging, and also it is like what do you call the silence before the storm. So that is a proverb, we can say, silence before the storm. So very very small gradual movement before the big storm. So that's why I'm telling you guys, we will definitely connect. Maybe next week we'll check. Next week we'll try to connect the Thursday evening. Okay, Thursday evening. So let me check. Evening times we need to trade. It's been it's a request people asked so many times. So we'll allocate one day on evening 5 o'clock to maybe like 11 o'clock. We can do that. Monday. Okay, I'll confirm you guys. Maybe next Wednesday I'll come confirm you guys. How to check the forex news? Uh, okay. It is you can go to the forexfactory.com website. Forexfactory.com. Let us go to there. Now GBP USD is coming down. Let's see that also. Forexfactory.com. Go to the website. Once you go to this website, you can see August 10. You can see the time 6 p.m. US dollar. You can see the red color box, red color kind of folder kind of thing. This is nothing but your news, high impact news. Yellow color is like low impact. There will be orange color. Orange color will be like medium impact news. So this 1, 2, 3, 4 news are coming today evening. So this might be the what do you call it? It can be like a very crazy moment evening. Based on this results, market will be reacting. So that's the reason now it is ranging, I guess. Okay, you can check here. You can go and read the theory if you want. Okay, price is coming down. We want to see this breakout structure. All right, you want to see this breakout structure? Then maybe we can sell from the top. So the full candle, let's mark the full candle. Let's measure the stop loss. How much is the stop loss? 44 points. Piece of cake, right? 44 points, $4 stop loss. So if as soon as it's broken, we are going to sell from this level. Let's see, but it's 3 minutes. It's okay. Look for 5 minutes. 5 minutes also it's a breakout structure, right? 5 minutes also we want to see this breakout structure. As soon as it's break, we can sell from the top. Okay. Break and come back. Only then we are going to sell. So we already put buy entry here. So we are looking for the sell entry. What happened to GBP JPY? GBP JPY I think I accidentally closed. US oil, let's remove the US oil, GBP JPY. GBP, I missed this. I told you guys right in the beginning of the stream. Uh, we have equal high in this. Let's see here. So we have a kind of equal high, and that equal high price goes above and come down. I told you guys in the beginning of the stream. I think 11 o'clock I told. So it's gone above. It's coming down. Right now you can see maybe in a 5 minutes. So you want to see one breakout structure, or let's take a 15 minutes time frame. It's gone above the previous day's highs. You can see these are previous days and previous days highs. It's gone above, and if I see any rejection to the downside, you want to see breakout structure in downside. We want to see this one, at least this one to break, this swing point to break. Then we can sell from the top if we see this break. GB USD. Kavita Arun Prasad, you are saying that this is the first time I'm joining my friend Vivek Farmi. Okay, great. Now this stream I have given in the what do you call? It's an open stream. Anyone can join. Any of your friends also can join. Okay. But next week onwards, we are going to close the thing. So I'm planning to conduct one open stream for everyone. Everyone can join. Like other streams are dedicated to our students. Rohit, no problem. See, I'm not pinpointing you. Okay, don't feel bad about that, because I wanted to. Not only I'm not saying you only asking all those things. I'm just fed up with you. Many students asking this, but at least you are asking straightforward. Some people are like, they will be like, they will be like what they do know, like they send me the message personally, and they will straightforward blame me, right? Oh, why are you doing this? Why are you not giving this or not like the, but at least you are asking like polite manner, so don't worry. So I don't get felt bad. Okay. Good morning once again, everyone. For those who are joined very late. And I don't know how many of you remember this, but I remember this. I told you guys in the last month streams, if we clear the challenge in the $5,000 challenge, and if we make money, I mean we will eventually make money, right? In that profit, I'm going to share with you guys. I told this last stream. I mean last month, I guess last month I told this. So after that account we have let it expired. So that account got expired. So again I'm insisting this from our challenges begin, right? So once we clear the challenge, once we withdraw our first profit, I'm going to share the profit with maybe five of you guys, 5 different persons. Okay, that is still maybe if you make like some $400, we'll share with you guys like 4 people. But I will take my $100. I'll give you $300 with you guys. Okay, this is the plan. So by the way, you can also get motivated, right? And you can also like open your $5,000 account using that maybe. So each person $50. So you can open some $5,000 account using that. Okay, that is still there. Okay, I did not forget. That is still there. We will be sharing you. I will be sharing you the profit with you guys for a sign of gratitude. But we need to clear the challenge. Okay. Now I can promise this if we make profit, okay. So if we have to clear this challenge. Last time it is we let it down because of my own personal issues. That is I can take full responsibility because I did not able to concentrate on this account and live streams also. That is the main reason. But this time we will not do that. We will try to connect every single week and we will try to take a clear this challenge. Okay. So that's why we are going very slowly because it's a $5,000 account. You just need to make $400 within 2 months. Okay. Now, yesterday we have opened this, and today I have taken. Today we are going to take a trade, right? So as soon as the trade is executed, our day will be count. So let us go to this thing. This is not yet updated. My Forex Fund website is not yet updated. I don't know why. So I have asked yesterday that with the customer service because yesterday itself paid the money. You can see here. You can see here 9th of August, right? $44 I have paid. But it is not yet. I mean, today morning only it is activated. I don't know why. So it is still shows our old. Yeah, you can see it still shows our old suspended, right? Our previous $5,000 challenge. Okay, it is not showing the recent one. I don't know why. Maybe it will take some time to update, or I have to again check with them. Okay, now it is. I think it's a second account. It is not updated now. Now you can see this is our active account. This is our active account. $5,000 balance for the day. $5,000 equity for the day, and maximum stop out. This is you cannot lose the how much $250. $250 is your the maximum loss per day. So this is like maximum stop off per day and maximum equity stop per day. So something like that you mentioned. $5,000, $5,000. Our target is $400. Okay, we have not made any profit so far, right? And our graph is also not what do you call it? It is not yet created. So we will go very slowly. We'll go very slowly. We don't want to make any mistakes. And this is the funded account. So we will try to take potential opportunities, potential trades. And by the way, we can clear this challenge. By the way, you can also get benefit from this account. And once we cleared this, we can do one more thing. We will conduct some competition with you guys, and maybe if you are successful in the competition, I will give this account to you guys. You can take this account. Maybe some of only few guys I can give you. You can take this account, entire account, $5,000 account. Okay, that also we can do. That also we can do. But you know, but I want to handing over this account for the performer. So let's see how long maybe let's see we will plan according to that. And first we'll distribute the profits, then we will think about that handing over the account. Okay. Coming down here, risky trade. This is a risky trade, guys. Very risky buy entry. Stop loss is $6. That's okay. Okay. Why I'm saying the risky trade? Because it's still bearish. Market is still bearish. That's why. Nothing is giving any proper thing. Okay, NZD is moving. NZD is going upside. Oh, NZD is came here, right? Okay, it's already happened. NZD is coming inside. and Z is coming inside. GBP is going down. GBP, I want one break in GBP. At least this break, guys. At least this break we want. Okay, if that happens, no, we can sell from the top because it's a potential trade, because it's a weak daily manipulation zone. Now you can argue that can we still trade here? Can we still sell here? Yes, you can do that. You can sell here and quickly exit, but that is not the way we need to trade. We want proper break and proper retest, proper mitigation, everything we want. Okay. Arunraj, that is the sorry, Mr. Karthik, that is the reason we are connected here. Okay, this is our live account. I mean, this is our demo. I mean, challenge account. Now we are trying to clear this account challenge in every week streams. Okay, that is the reason. That is the whole purpose of this live stream, to how we can clear the funded account challenge. That's the reason. Now you can see. To be frank, guys. To be frank, you can clear this challenge within 5 days also, by applying the, I mean, 5 days means 5 trading days, not 5 consecutive days, 5 trading days, maybe today, maybe next week, or something like that, once in a week. You can simply clear within 5 days also, 5 days trading. For that you need to follow only the daily time frame, okay. You don't need lower time frame, just daily time frame, just like this, just like today. Now you see this one, it's gone above and rejecting, right? Now if you see one breakout structure in 15 minutes like this, then you can sell from this candle. This is your what do you call, double side swing point. You can see this is a double side swing point. You don't need lower time frame. You can see this is a swing point, swing low and swing high also. So we want to see the break, this swing low to break and retest, or break and mitigation. When that happens, we can sell here and we can target this low. Okay, you can target this low. So this will decently give you like 500 point, so $50 if you are trading with my mini lot. So something like that, you can, like 4 days, 5 days, you can look for this kind of trade, and you can clear the challenge. But if you are going with a lower time frame like this, we did lower time frame here, right? So these things may take some time, and these things may not give you the potential profit. Okay, stick with higher time frame always. So higher time frame, it says sell only. So when it is reached here, you can look for 15 minutes breakout structure, 15 minutes confirmation, then you can take a trade. So go to the daily chart. You can see the daily chart. It is not a manipulation. It is not a daily manipulation, this level. Okay, if I go to the 4 hour, then I can see it's like a manipulation. That's why we have taken. But it's again, you can see a lot of equal highs are there. Okay, but we can expect some potential downtrend, like maybe like a 300 point down movement from here. And if I were alone without you guys, if I were alone, what I will do now, I will like place the entry, I will go and watch Netflix web series. Okay, I won't be like watching the charts. I'll place the entry, I will go and watch the Netflix. I open the Netflix, I saw the Netflix. A lot of people ask, what is your trading ritual? Are you pray the God before you go to the trading? No, I don't do that. Just open the stream, just understand, okay, where is proper levels, everything, put the entry, watch the Netflix, hear some song, and sometimes I'll go outside to purchase the what do you call the groceries or something like that. Trade will be running, my I'll handing over to my wife, she will see the screen. So something like that we'll do. So if you sit in front of the PC, if you're watching the charts, staring at the charts, that will create the pressure. Okay, so better look at the chart, take the entry, place the entry. It can be advanced entry, it can be like a confirmed entry. So whatever, pending order, or maybe the after the confirmation entry. So take the entry, go somewhere, watch something. Okay, this is the two things. This imbalance is already touched. Price fell down, and you have a manipulation. This is also manipulation. This candle is a manipulation candle. This manipulation candle touched here. You can see touched here, fell down. So now price is coming again. So we are looking for 50% at least. So how much is the stop loss? 235 points. Let's mark the 50. Let's take a Fibonacci. So yeah. So its price is already a premium level. So what we can do, we can again mark 50% of this somewhere here. So now your stop loss will be reduced to 119 points. That's okay. $12 stop loss. Okay, and do we have any opportunity to buy? We have this candle, still 9 minutes left. Once this candle completes, we can consider this is a breakout structure. Okay, and if you see here, swing point, touch, gone above, swing point, touch, gone above. Now this is your swing point. So let this candle complete. Then we can try to take trade here also, because this is the extreme one, which is always powerful. We can still expect from here, but that may not happen immediately because the market has already started to go up. Okay, so it will go up like this and maybe touch here, then come down here. Okay, so you can still look for buying from here. 85 points, because this swing point is already touched. You can see it is touched, going up. So to come to the 50%, it may take some time. So meanwhile, we can try to take a trade from here, maybe like 15 minutes. Let's go to 15 minutes. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Sir, GBP USD made equal lows in 1 hour time frame, and OB is also below. Please have some answer. Okay, thank you for mentioning that. GBP USD 1 hour equal low. This one you are saying? I think this is the one you are saying, right? Below you have this one you are saying. Okay, if you notice here, it is kind of manipulated somewhat. This equal low is manipulated, price gone above, came back, and it's going up now. Okay, now it's going up. So there is a chance price can go here and react, then it can come to this the zone. What do you call the manipulation zone? Okay, price will first, it's already taken the liquidity here, right? Somewhat taken, not 100%, somewhat taken. Now it is time to take the liquidity from the top. It will go and take the liquidity from the top. maybe here, or maybe here. Once it taken the top, then it come down. It will touch the bottom, or it will try to take the bottom level. Okay, so that's what it will do. But anyways, that is good observation. Again, this is, even though this levels are little bit taken manipulated, price can still try to come down and take the thing, because original direction is bearish. Original direction of the market is bearish. You can see it's been bearish for the long time. Okay, it's been bearish for the long time. So selling is the best option. In a daily chart, you can see break of structure. Then order block here. That order block tested here. And one more swing point here. That is also tested here. Okay, we have one more swing point here. That is tested here. This swing point. Tested here. Right. And in the recent trend is like bearish. So it is there in important level. This is an important level, of course. So let's see. It has to go a little bit down. After that only it can become up. It can become up. But what we are trying to do here now, we are trying to capture the small movement, small up movement. So we want to buy here, and we want to close the buy entry here, this area. We want to close our buy entry here, maybe the 50% of this level. So buy, sell here. The small trade we are trying to take 135 point, 140 point trade, some $10, $15 trade. So now entries so far triggered. You know, this is not yet broken. This will be testing your patience. That's why people, I know, that's why people wanted to trade in 5 minutes, 3 minutes, 2 minutes. Okay. But this is worth waiting, guys. I'm telling you guys. Worth waiting. In this level, worth for waiting. At the same time, every single higher time frame levels, you are waiting means it's worth to trade. So here you can see this is also kind of beautiful thing. So you can see price fell down, came back, fell down, broke the structure in 15 minutes and broke this structure also. Okay, so this level is still important level. So market try to go down below and react from this level also. Okay, but for that first you need to cross this level. So let's see. Let's look for some other pairs, maybe Canadian dollar. Now, when we started our first streaming, I think first day in June month, I guess. June month we have started the first live stream. First day we did not get any entry. But after the completion of the stream, we got an entry. So something like that can happen today also. But let's try to take some different pairs. CAD JPY. GBP JPY, I'm looking for GBP JPY, but GBP JPY is trying to going up. Okay, let's go maybe 4 hour. See, 4 hour CAD JPY manipulation. I think we have missed it. This, right? I think we have missed. So this full candle, you can mark wick also. I told you guys, wick is not touched, but I came here, right? So this is a full candle. Half candle. This is okay. Let's go 5 minutes. Let's go 5 minutes. All right, 5 minutes breakout structure happened. Not yet, not yet, not yet. Slight breakout structure happened, but we can still try. Let's go to daily chart first. We'll see this once again. So what is the trend in the daily chart? This is you can see push down, push up, push down. Liquidity grab happened, pushed up, break of structure happened, pushed up. Now it's pushing up. It's reacting from the swing point. So there's a chance it can go above. It can go above also, right? So there's a break and came back, retested the order block, right? This is your order block. Tested and pushing up. So it can go above this, right? Then let's go to the 4 hour. In 4 hour, so it's recently broken the high, and this is your buying level, right? Broken this high, buying level, and it is approaching to the manipulation zone in 4 hour manipulation zone. Full candle, off candle. So it is there inside, right? So let's go 5 minutes. Look for the breakout structure. So we are on a 5 minutes, maybe like a 10 minutes. 5 minutes breakout structure is not yet happened. Now it is happening. Now it's happening, right? So let's see. This is your manipulation zone. In that you are seeing push downs. It's trying to break this level, right? It's breaking. Yeah, it's breaking. Let's go to 15 minutes. Let's see, do we have any swing point? We have this swing point, 15-minute swing point, right? We will sell from here. We'll take a sell entry from here. So how much is the stop loss? 93 points, $9. If I see the 3 minutes, the breakout structure happening here. 3 minutes breakout structure happening here. So we can look for sell entry from this range market, or maybe like in this white zone. Okay, we want to see the price to come here. As soon as it touched, we'll take a direct trade, direct sell entry. Your marking and my marking is matching more than 90%. Okay, great. Great. How many of you guys are there? 31. Okay, great. Last time we had, I think, 70 people in the 75 people were in the live. I think most of the groups are informed. Some recent batches I have not included. I have excluded because I don't want them to come directly before they digest the strategy. That's the reason. Now, can we buy from here? So there is an imbalance. Imbalance is filled. Market is pushing up. But we are going to look for sell from this level, because this is your 4-hour manipulation area. Okay, so more than buy, we are looking for sell. Because you see the struggle to come up. Market has struggled to come up. But when it is come to the sell part, it is like a big sell and little bit struggle, and big sell, struggle, big sell, struggle, big sell. Okay, so but when it come to the up movement, yes, there was a good movement, but big sell, then good up movement, then struggle, then struggling to go up. So obvious choice is selling from here, maybe targeting this low. Okay, breakout structure happened. Next candle is coming up. 5 minutes time frame. So we will be at least sell from this the 50% of here, this white zone, white color zone. Okay, what I'm gonna do here is, no, I'm gonna put sell entry from the 50%, maybe like what is the stop loss? 50-point stop loss. But we'll put some 60, 70-point stop loss, maybe like here stop loss. Stop loss little bit higher, because maybe here we can put stop loss. Okay. Let's take a F9, press F9. Pending order. We can directly sell also, but because if we look at other charts, we'll forget this, right? That's the reason I'm going to put limit order. 10 micro lot, 1 mini lot we are going to sell. From where we are going to sell? We are going to sell from 107 point. Oh, sorry guys. 107 point. 107.475. 107.480. Let's take a round number. 480. Okay, we are going to sell from 480, and we are going to put stop loss in. Stop loss little bit higher we'll put, because it's a 50 point, right? So there is a chance stop loss can hit. So we don't want to put tight stop loss here. 107 point, maybe 5 80. No, 560, it's enough. 560. Okay, place. So we placed 2 orders. Now understand one thing. Now we have placed 2 orders, right? Whether this order is triggering or not, our days started count. What day? In funded account. Okay, it is not shown here, but it will be updated later. Maybe we can reload here. So you can see, you may see the date. You may see the date here, but I don't know why it's not showing. As soon as you enter your first trade, whether it is triggering or not, your days will be counted. Okay, but as soon as it's triggered, then your profit or loss, that will be count. So unless it will not count. Okay, I think they have changed the plan. I forgot to tell you that. Now we don't have any specific days, I guess. Unlimited days. I believe that. I don't know whether it's true or wrong. I believe there is no specific days to clear the challenge. Okay, let's see here. Let's see here. Now you can see here, you have a breakout structure here also. There is a break here, there is a break here. Why we consider this? Because this is the previous swing low. This is newly created swing low. Let me take. Okay, we cannot draw here, right? So this low, you can see this low, this is newly created low. This is also newly created low. So this low break is, you can still consider this low break as a breakup structure, but I consider the previous low to be broken. Okay. So push up, push down, push up. So this low need to be broken, or this low need to be broken. Only then we will be looking for sell. Okay, we took based on this, but let's see, now it's going up, right? So we want to sell from, we want to take entry from here. So if stop loss hits, we will lose $5, $5.56. Okay, we placed two entry. GBP JPY is going above, so there is no point in keeping the buy entry in the bottom. GBP JPY is going above, right? It is not came down, but remember this level. So now it's time to look for the top zone. We are trying to take a sell entry from the top zone. So that is our agenda here. So let's go to 15 minutes. Market is pushing very hard to the upside. We can do one thing. We can maybe like look for a entry from the imbalance. Okay, we can expect some reaction from here, or we can look for extreme swing low, extreme swing point. This one. Okay, or we can like mark full 300 point, which is crazy. So 150 point somewhere here. Okay, we can look from that also. What happened to Euro USD? Euro USD, I told you guys, right? I told you guys that there is an equal high here. You can see this. If you would have taken this sell entry here, direct entry, then what would have happened? If you would have, you saw here is it like, oh, it's a manipulation. Let's take a sell entry. Now what happened? That's why this is the power of equal high and equal low. Equal highs and equal lows are liquidity points. Price will try to take the liquidity. So after taking the liquidity, maybe it can react from this imbalance. Okay, that can possible. So that's why we are not taken the direct entry here. Okay, it's look like good. Breakout structure, manipulation, everything is good. But it's an equal high. It's an equal high. Okay. So whatever we guessed, that this is an equal high. So equal high can be manipulated, and the upper level will be testing. So from there we can look maybe selling opportunity. GBP JPY, GBP USD also it's like flying, right? So there is no point in keeping this trade, this entry, because it's gone here. So from here that will be selling. So it will take some time to come here. So let us delete this entry. But remember this entry, in future we can take a trade. Let's delete this entry. Sorry, what happened? Yeah, delete. So I have deleted this entry. GBP CAD JPY is still open. The entry is still open, and GBP JPY, it's not broken the structure, unfortunately. Euro USD and GBP USD is going above. Okay, so 10:30, the entry you would have taken, it would have given some good profit. USD JPY reached this level and rejecting. So Euro USD is going up, means so USD value is going down, right? So it's broken the structure. Pushed up, pushed down, pushed up, pushed down, pushed up, pushed down, pushed up, pushed down, broken the structure. So let us sell from here. This is our sell entry. Okay, breakout structure, sell entry from this swing point, the green color candle. So how much? Okay, 127 point. So $12 stop loss. You can either directly put, or you can maybe like put some 50 percentage. So now you can see it's taking the liquidity from the equal lows. It's taking the liquidity and is trying to push up. Okay, it's taken the money. Now it will go above and touch the manipulation candle and go down. Okay. So yeah. So we'll put 50 percentage entry for the safer side. Somewhere here. Okay. And we'll put stop loss above this. How much? $86.8. But let's wait. Let's wait for the price to come up. Now you can see it is going above the equal highs. It's trying to go above the equal highs. It's gone above the equal high, right? Right. Let's go to 5 minutes. CAT JPY is still struggling to go up. At least we'll see this entry in this live session. This sell entry. Euro USD and GBP USD both are going above, touching the. Okay, it touched this level. By the way, how many of you guys trading right now? Are you trading? Are you taking any trades, or like watching the market, or like taking a demo trade, something like that? At least my suggestion is at least you try to take a demo trade when you are coming to the sessions. By the way, you can also gain some experience, and instead of watching the live stream, you can also parallelly you can trade in at least in a demo account. Okay, this is going above, right? Maybe it's trying to take this liquidity also. Now whatever the trade we are placing, advanced trades we are placing, I'm going to keep this trade even after our stream ends. Then we will maybe tomorrow I will share you the what happened to the trade. Okay, whether it is given the profit or loss, I'll share you guys. And ZDUSD, it's flying. So US dollar is going down, guys. US dollar is going down. That's why all currencies are going up. So definitely USD JPY will be going down. Okay, after touching this, maybe after touching the levels, it will be also going down. The reaction. So where it is reacting? Imbalance. This small imbalance, it's reacted first. Let's go 15 minutes. Now measure the stop loss. How much is the stop loss? 300 point. Euro USD is still touching. GBP USD going inside very fast. So what is this? How much this stop loss? $125. Now you can see this is the missed one. Today morning we got missed. 10:30 this has happened. 10:30 this has happened. I mean this has happened I think before that. So price exactly touched there and it is pushed up. This is we have missed one, missed a trade. But now we are looking for this level again, once again. And we can put stop loss below this. Reaction. From where it is reacting? Imbalance, this small imbalance. This imbalance it's reacting. But I'm looking for this one. This 125 point stop loss level. This is the full candle, full manipulation candle, but we are looking for this half. This is I think it will trigger right now in a few minutes. CAD JPY. JPY booked 75 profit. Great. Super. I took a demo trade. Okay, madam. Great. Doing the trade with you. Okay, great. Watching the market and taking the demo trades. Super, sir. Super. Taking the demo trades, sir. At least take a demo trades. Now, I know it's take times. You need to sit for time sometimes. It creates the impatience, everything. But this is the only way. This is the only way. Okay, that's why people used to say market is not easy. Market is really difficult. And a lot of people thinking that, okay, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 1 minute, we can take a trade, we can become a rich. No. For even if you want to take that 5-minute trade, you need to spend at least 1 or 2 hours into the market. Now we have started at 11 o'clock. Right? In the previous live stream central, we'll start by 10:30. From 11 o'clock we have started. It's been almost 2 hours, right? Almost 2 hours. We did not get any entry. Okay, we placed the entry. We saw certain levels and we placed the entry. And we are looking for the confirmation and looking for everything. Okay, so this is the reality. Reality of trading. Okay, let's see the GBP JPY. GBP JPY successfully mitigated. The grabbed the liquidity in the previous highs. All these previous highs liquidity has been taken now. Now I can tell you that every time liquidity is taken, market can reverse. So we are looking for that reversal here. So you can see it is look like it's already broken the structure in 15 minutes. But I'm looking for the reversal. I'm expecting that reversal. So I'm expecting the one break. This one. Okay. Why I always why I am looking for GBP JPY? Because GBP JPY is the greatest pair to trade, in my opinion. This is the best pair to trade. So now you can see it's gone above. It is reacting. Now I want to see one break. If I see that one break, then this is my selling level, and I can run this entry maybe for the next 500 points. So okay, see this. It's not came here. I mean, it came here. You can see this entire level. This green candle is your swing point. I'm zooming in. Technically, this green candle is your swing point. That is touched 50 percentage, right? And it is falling down. But we took this one, this small one, yeah, small one, and we put here. Okay, let's see. What happened? Euro USD. Euro USD also touched the important level and rejecting. 4 hours, sir. Usually 4 hour. 4 hour, madam. Sorry. Tamil இல்லையா bro? Tamil. I can speak Tamil also, but நம்ம இங்கே எதுவுமே கற்றுக்கலையே. நம்ம ஜஸ்ட் ட்ரேட் தானே பண்ண போகிறோம். அதனால தான் இங்கிலீஷில் பேசுகிறேன். பட் we can, I promise that we'll do it mix of Tamil and English. So I forgot that. I forgot. ஓகே, இங்கே எதுவுமே தினேஷ் ப்ரோ, இங்கே எதுவுமே நம்ம இப்போ லேர்ன் பண்ணல. நம்ம ஆல்ரெடி லேர்ன் பண்ணதை we are அப்ளைங். ஸோ அதனால் டோன்ட் வரி. நம்ம தமிழில் செஷன் நேற்று கூட நடத்தினோம். நீங்கள் கலந்துக்கிட்டீங்களான்னு தெரில. We will conduct a session coming, maybe next week we can also conduct Tamil session. Okay. Usual time is 4 hour. My trading time is 4 hour and 15 minutes. 5 minutes also. 5 minutes also. I very rarely, I mean very frequently I look for 15 minutes. 5 minutes is kind of some 30% of time I look for 5 minutes. 15 minutes ரொம்ப உங்களுக்கு it is really good. 15 minutes is really good. That's why we are looking for 15 minutes. You can look for 5 minutes also. Again, you can see 5 minutes also the same low. This is the low you need to break. 5 minutes also say the same low. 15 minutes also say the same low. Okay, in the low break ஆகணும். This low need to be break. Only then. CAD JPY is struggling. So I believe it is like go up little bit like this, and one break of structure happened. So only one break happened. Okay, you can count this also, but I don't count this. I believe this is the one break of structure, and we want to see one more also, but we placed the entry. Let's see. We should have placed the entry here. This is the swing point. So I accidentally thought this was a swing point. இதுதான் நான் ஸ்விங் பாயிண்ட் நினச்சிட்டேன். ஸோ அதனால் இங்கே போட்டேன் என்ட்ரி. இங்கே போட்டிருந்தோம்னா if you would have put entry here, this low or this 50%, then it got triggered. It would have triggered. Okay, GBP USD, it's not downtrend. You need to understand. This is reacting from the what do you call imbalance. Okay, it is reacting from the imbalance. One hour imbalance வந்து react பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கு market. So you may think that market is reversing. No, it is not reversing. So suppose you bought here, don't get panic with this down movement. நம்ம அங்கே வாங்கியிருப்போம், நமக்கு பயமாக இருக்கும் என்னாச்சு அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு. ஸோ டோன்ட் கெட் பேனிக். ஸோ இட் இஸ் ரியாக்டிங் ஃப்ரம் தி இம்பேலன்ஸ். ஸோ ஐ பிலீவ் இட் டெஃபினெட்லி கோ ஹியர். இந்த மேலே இருக்கக்கூடிய ஸ்விங் பாயிண்ட் இட் வில் கோ ஹியர். ஸோ ஃப்ரம் தேர் வி கேன் டேக் பொட்டன்ஷியல் ட்ரேட்ஸ். Now you can ask me, can I trade using swing point strategy? Panala, Dharalama, you can use swing point strategy also. You can see there is a swing point here. Price reacted. There is a swing point here. Price is reacting right now. Okay. There is a swing point here. Price is reacted here. Okay. You have a swing point here. You have swing point here. That is reacted here. See this one? Swing point, reaction. Okay. Swing point, reaction. Swing point, reaction. This swing point is failed. Okay. You can do that also. You can do that also without break of checker. You can take a small profit, you can exit. Now you can see this is touched, reacted a little bit, right? Not a big reaction, but small reaction. So yesterday one person spoke to me. He told me that he's taking 60 trades, 60 trades per day, and making some $5. So $5, $3, something like that in real account. So like small reaction, close, small reaction, close, small reaction, close, like that, something like that. Okay. GPP, JPY keep on not giving me the confidence because it's going above. USD JPY is coming up, right? USD JPY is broken the structure. Yes, gone above. This structure is not broken, but this structure is broken. Let us go to 5 minutes. Yes, 5-minute structures are broken. So it's time to take a sell entry from here, and we can put stop loss here. Okay. F9 pending order, sell limit 10 micro lot, sorry, 1 mini lot. Price would be 144.036, 144.03, 5, let's say 5, round number. And the stop loss would be like 144.120, 144.120. Okay, target I'm not putting because we are going to trail the stop losses. So let's place sell entry. How much is stop loss? $5, $6 stop loss. Okay, $6 risk control you can take because it's a funded account. You have $250 limit per day, right? So you can risk $6. Even you can risk $10 also. That is your choice. But $6 is decent. 5.90 decent. We have placed the entries, but let's see how it works, how it goes. CAD JPY, it's struggling to go above. We are expecting this sell entry. USD JPY. Let's go to DXY. Dollar index. Dollar index still bearish in 4-hour time frame. Broken the structure. So dollar is bearish. So it come up a little bit and go down. So dollar is bearish means then so USD JPY also will be bearish. So now it's going very fast. Let's look at, do we have anything above? I did not notice that. Forgot. I don't think so we have any level. Okay. So this is technically this is your level. So let's see. Because we took this manipulation. 5 minutes manipulation. 5 minutes manipulation. Price fell down, broke the structure. Now this is the perfect level. We can keep this. We can keep the sell entry. 2 entry we have placed, 1 entry, 3 entry we have placed, 1 entry we have closed. GBP USD. Let's look for this to enter at least before 3 o'clock. If not, I'll keep this. I'll show you guys. Okay. Suraj demo trade. Okay, great. Euro USD BSL took it. Can we go for cylinder? Yes, sir. That is what I'm looking for, madam. அதான் நான் பார்த்துட்டு இருக்கிறேன் பார்க்கலாம். Swing point means swing highs and swing lows are. Swing point means no. Again, I don't want to go with the basics. You can either refer the masterclass video or the bootcamp videos. So GBP, if GBP JPY breaks the structure in 15 minutes, we should look for the 3 minutes BOS, right? You can look for that. You don't need to look for that also. That is your choice. I personally look for the 15 minutes break of structure and I will measure the stop loss. Stop loss is okay. I will take a trade. So for example, you see here. Now it is not breaking the downside, right? It is not breaking. It's going upside. Suppose it's breaking the downside. I mark this full candle. Okay. I measure the stop loss. How much is the stop loss? So this is like 183 point. This is huge risk. I cannot take this risk. Then I will take half. So like it will be like 96 point. That risk we can take. $9 stop loss we can take. Not $9, maybe like $6 stop loss we can take. So I will directly take a sell entry from here. So this is one way you can trade, because it's at the end of the day, stop loss is going to the factor, right? How much we are going to lose, that is important. How much we are making, that is not important. How much we will lose if setup fails. So our losses should be reduced. So like that, I will take. But you can look for 3 minutes or 5 minutes. That you can always look. That is another way. This is like a blind way trading. Based on some experience, based on some confidence we are taking. Equal high is manipulated, right? Equal high is manipulated. Now we want to break up structure. We want at least 5 minutes break up structure. At least this candle need to break on, because this is a swing point, right? Now you can see it's creating the swing point. 1, 2, 3. So let this complete. Once the swing point created, we'll try to take a trade from swing point. Okay. Let's go to the indicators. Put some moving average. Moving average. Where is moving average? Trend. Moving average. Like a 50 period moving average. Any moving average is okay. So everything say buy. Moving average say buy. 1 minute also say buy. 1 minute also says buys. Okay. Okay. 4 hour. Let this complete the swing point. Let this create the swing point. Okay. Let this create the swing point. Let us allow to create the swing point. Now, guys, if you don't understand swing point, if you don't understand anything, I suggest you to watch either refresher session or refresher session is like we have not completed it, we have not given everything, but at least watch the recordings once again. By the way, you can get this, because I don't want to discuss everything from the beginning here in this session. Our focus should be on the trades, multiple trades. Bitcoin. Shall we look at the Bitcoin? I never traded the Bitcoin. Where is that template? I don't have any experience in the Bitcoin trading. It's bearish. It's bearish. Recent price action says it's bearish. Bitcoin. This low, well, it's already respected, going down. What else we have? Let's see that. Simples. We have CFDs also. We have US oil, US 30, UK 100, Hong Kong 50, Australian 200, Nasdaq, Japanese index, German 30, France 40, ESP. All indices are all there. Metals, we have a gold, silver, gold versus euro, platinum, palladium. Crypto, we have Bitcoin, Dash versus US dollar, Litecoin, Ethereum. Let's add these also. Let's take Dash D, Dash USD. That is crazy. This is crazy. See, gap up, gap downs. Ethereum, 4 hour. 1 hour at least. Breakout structure, price fell down. Litecoin, 4 hour. Metals, Forex. Forex, what else we are having? We have a ZAR, South African Rand. We have Singapore dollar. We have GBP card, GBP NCD, NCD card, NCD JPY, Euro Singapore dollar, GBP AD, Mexican peso. We'll try this also. Euro AUD, Euro JPY. Euro JPY we need to see. We don't want AUD chef. We don't want USD chef. Because these chef pairs are really bad. AUD NCD also we don't want. Euro JPY. USD Mexican peso. USD Hungarian, Hong Kong dollar, Danish kroner, Chinese ren mini B, something like that. We look for USD ZAR. USD ZAR. South African Rand. This is one of the cheapest currency to trade. I think if you have like $1, you can able to trade one micro lot in a traditional broker. Okay, but not sure about the funded account. So let's see here. For our have a swing point, breakout structure. Now this is exotic, okay? This is exotic. It's not a your regular pair to trade with. It's an exotic. If it is fails, if it is gone below, then we can consider this as a breaker block. Breaker block, we can consider this as a breaker block. Maybe we can try to take a sell entry from here. Because it's about to fail, I guess. It's go below the it's trying to go below the level. So we can maybe sell from the imbalance. 9,485 points. Oh my god. I don't know how much is the pip value, which is really crazy. Let's leave that. Sir, GBP JBI took all previous highs and formed the manipulation in GBP JBI break the 15-minute structure, and we need to check the 3 minute breakout structure for confirmation. Yes, yes, definitely. You can that's what I'm saying. You can directly trade also. You can look for the confirmation. That is your choice. How much capital is required to trade with the standard lot, mini lot, or micro lot? Asking for just knowledge, sir. Uh, if you are trading with brokers, it will be like you need $250 for trading standard lot with 500x leverage. If you are choosing 500x leverage, broker use பண்ணி நீங்கள் ட்ரேட் பண்ணீங்கன்னா you need $250 at least for trading standard lot. For mini lot, $25. For micro lot, it's $2.5. So 500x leverage நீங்கள் choose பண்ணீங்கன்னா it is like 250, 25, 2.5. So here I think it's 100x leverage. So here I think you need $1,000 to, not $1,000, $500. $500 for trading standard lot. I think so. Yeah, 500 something. Kavita Arun Prasad, are you part of our bootcamp, or are you just randomly joined? Because you are asking, are you teaching any course? This is, I think, you joined randomly, right? By watching the, by maybe you, someone would have shared you the link. That's right. That's why you don't aware about this. We conduct bootcamp. We conduct bootcamp every once in every month, or sometimes twice in a month also. So these people are our bootcamp members. Okay. You are welcome to attend this live session. Once in a month we will be doing this live session. Anyone can participate. Okay, it's testing our patience, right? How many of you guys are getting bored? Because every time we do live session, no, only then this kind of boring price action will be will be created. So last two times, what I did know, because of this, I want to show you, because I don't want to waste your time, right? So we took some entries directly, some risky entries. Okay, without any confirmation, without any, because I don't want to leave you guys without having anything. So that's the reason. So that is a mistake we did. I did. That's the reason that account got expired, or maybe that account got like we made a loss, and that challenge got failed. If I would have not taken that trade for the sake of showing you, we could have continued that account. We could have reset that old account or continued. So again, I don't need to spend some 5,000 rupees. Anyways, so that's the reason patience is required. I'm sure most of you guys are bored. Okay. Nothing is happening, right? Nothing is happening. We are waiting. Nothing is happening. See, I told you guys, right? Imbalance filled, price rejected, and going above. Right? You can say, you can say I would have sold here. Yes, we could have sold here. But how long it will go, we don't know. Okay, we can easily sell from this imbalance zone, right? But that is not the way of trading. If I sell from here, if I sell from here, maybe you would have made some, at least some 39 points. It's very, very, very low, very low. Right? But the point here is it's an imbalance filling. It's not a trading area. So imbalance filled. Now market is trying to push up. Anybody trader Bank Nifty? Bank Nifty futures or options. Let's go to 1 hour. What happened today? So see, manipulation. This is not a manipulation, but these two manipulation. This happened today. This happened 8th of August. Today is 10th of August, right? So that level, full candle, off candle, and you can see here also there is a manipulation, small manipulation. Bank Nifty 10:15 to 10:15 to 11:15 down movement, super movement. 400 points. That's crazy. 400 points. How much is the stop loss? Stop loss will be higher. 100 points. It's 2,500 rupees stop loss. 2,500 rupees stop loss, but 10,000 rupees movement. 10,000 maybe 500 rupees movement, down movement. This one candle is 10,000 rupees profit. If you are trading standard, if you're trading the what do you call the futures, but options is different. Options, this is how much? 45,141. 45,141 means 45,141. What is the strike price? 4,500. Let's take a 4,500. So if you would have bought put option at this strike price, maybe like 400 rupees. 400 rupees is really costly. Calculator. Let's say this is you are watching the market from here. If it is goes, you are watching the market from here, then you are buying put option here. 45. Let's say it's 300 rupees. For example, 300 rupees option price is 300 rupees. So you are buying one lot of option, put option. So 300 into 25. So 7,000 rupees, 7,500 rupees. You using that you would have bought here put option. So it's given some how much? 400 point movement, which is crazy. So 300 plus 400, 700. 700 into 25. So let's remember this. 700 into 25. 17,500 rupees. So 10,000 rupees profit. 7,500 rupees your sell entry here, and you made additional 10,000 rupees. That is crazy. Okay, you can see here. touched here first time, touched here second time 50 percentage, third time also touched, but second time 50 percentage you would have taken this 50 percentage entry. Okay, third time you can avoid because it may fail also, right? Boring in the sense of like it's not doing anything, right? So we are sitting in front of the PC. அதான் கேட்டேன், வேற ஒன்றும் இல்லை. எதுவுமே நடக்கல, நத்திங், நோ ட்ரேட் இஸ். Now what we can do now, next week we will try to plan in the New York session. ஓகேங்களா எல்லாருக்கும் we will connect in the New York session 4 o'clock in the evening. Okay, so like the what do you call evening 4 o'clock time we will connect. By the way, you can oh, Arun Raj saying, sir, lot size are decreased now, lot become 25 to 50. Oh, is it so? Okay, I don't know, it's been long time I stopped trading the bank nifty. 15 na, okay. I forgot. No, I did not trade at bank nifty long time, so that's the reason. ஒரு 3 months 4 months இருக்கும், அதுக்கு முன்னாலே ஸ்டாப் பண்ணிட்டேன் பேங்க் நிஃப்டி. நியூயார்க் செஷனில் ட்ரேட் பண்ணுவோம் நெக்ஸ்ட் வீக்லேருந்து. வில் பிளான் தட், பட் இட்ஸ் ரியலி டிஃபிகல்ட் ஃபார் மீ டு அலோகேட் நியூயார்க் செஷன் டைம், பட் we will figure out one day at least. One day and we'll start 4 o'clock. By the way, every office goers also can participate till 11 o'clock. Especially any news times we'll try to trade also. Because no entry is triggered, so it's consuming our time. Let us observe, okay? Let us observe what. Okay, it's coming down. Shall we look for buy entry here? Technically, it is touched, guys. It is already touched your level. You can see here. It touched your swing point. It touched, but we are looking for half. That's why we are waiting. Okay, technically it is touched and reacting. So buying from here is kind of, because it's reacting from the higher level, right? So buying from here is kind of a risky process, but let's look for the lower time frame confirmation. Let's take a stop loss 70 points. We can take a risk, $7 risk we can take, but we will try to take a trade from here, the swing point. This one is not at all touched. Okay, let's go 1 hour. Now 1 hour, do you see the swing point? உங்களுக்கு swing point தெரியும்னு நினைக்கிறேன். I hope you can see the swing point. Okay, 1 hour swing point here. Okay, we'll do one thing. We'll put entry in the swing point low, and we'll keep it stop loss like that only. I just moved because we have 1 more minute to complete this candle. 1 more minute to complete this candle. Okay, so once this candle complete, maybe there is a chance price can go up, touch this swing point. Okay, நம்ம இப்போ வந்து we are trading based on the swing point. So because it's already touched, I guess you can see 1 hour level is already touched. Yes, 1 hour level is already touched. The reaction is happening. Right? 1 hour swing point bottom is touched. Okay, so what is the stop loss here to here? 276 point. We cannot take that risk. That's why we marked the 50 percentage. So we will try to take from this swing point. Now 1 more minute is left. 57 seconds left. What if stop loss, if I put stop loss here? Stop loss இங்க போட்டா எவ்வளோ வரும்? $9 stop loss, $10 stop loss. இது ரொம்ப அதிகம். Huge. Maybe like we'll put stop loss here. This is how much? $6. Okay, that's okay. We can expect from this swing point. Okay, we can expect sell entry from this swing point. USD JPY ஒன்றும் சரியில்லையா? All reacting from the swing point bottom. Do you see that? The swing point bottom is the direct react ஆகுது market. The swing point bottom level. Okay. This is 1 hour swing point. 1 hour swing point. Okay, this is 1 hour swing point is already created. Okay, this is full level. How much stop loss? 200 point stop loss. Crazy. We can do 50% of 1 hour. Okay, so this is the 50%. The middle one is a 50%. Okay, let's keep the stop loss same. Stop loss is 590. That's same. Alright, what we did is, நம்ம என்ன பண்ணோம் அப்படின்னா, let me show you. We had a swing point like this. Okay, this is a higher time frame swing point. We mark, we had a manipulation. So price came here and created one more swing point in 1 hour. Okay, so we marked this. We are going to take a trade from here. Direct trade. அதான் நம்ம செய்ய போகிறோம். And we took 50% here in the GBP JPY, USD JPY, but here we have taken the full. We are not taken the 50%. Here we have taken the full swing low. Here we have taken. Yes, news event. That is the reason I think I is very struggling a lot. Today we have a session. Otherwise, we could have conducted in the evening also. Today we have a bootcamp session with recent batch students. So that's the reason. Let's put to 2 entries to the bottom. Okay, GBP JPY, something is happening. GBP JPY, some improvements is happening. Let's see. Now you can see this, guys, in 1 hour time frame. You can see this candle kind of doji candle, right? Kind of cross. Now, why this doji is created? Because it took the liquidity. That is the symptom. It took the liquidity, and it is like uh, take the money and pushing down, pushing down. Okay, so this is a symptom that market can go down. But we want break of structure. We want break of structure because it's still struggling. Again, it's trying to go up. Okay, some people call this as a head and shoulders, right? Head and shoulders. Maybe from here you can look for a sell, head and shoulder pattern. But I want this break. I want to see this break. Because this wick is broken by this wick. And again is a swing point. Swing point. What is the market trend? What is let's put some indicators if you want. What indicator we can put? Bollinger Band. We don't want indicator, but Bollinger Band. 20 period Bollinger Band. Alright, upper band is broken. Bollinger Band upper band is broken. Okay, now price is reaching to that level. From that we can look for sell. I think so because Bollinger Band. Yeah, there is one more indicator, the Ichimoku. Where is that? Ichimoku. Ichimoku Kinko Hayo. Some Japanese indicator. If you put this, no, it is like a disaster in your chart. Okay, but just go to the settings of that indicator. So what you can do now, like go to the colors. You just want a Kijunsen line. Kijunsen. You can see the Kijunsen. Tenkan-sen, it's not required. None. Blue line, this Kijunsen line. And Chiku span, that is not required. And this Kumo, up Kumo, down Kumo, that is also not required. None. Click OK. Now you see the Kijunsen line, right? This is the blue line. This is, you can use, instead of moving averages, you can use this. Instead of using moving average, 20 period moving average, instead of that, you can use this in the default settings. This is way better than a moving average. So if it is price has gone below, you are going to sell. If it is going above, you are looking for buy. So something like that. Kijunsen line you can use if you want. Okay, but I don't suggest any indicators. It's still trying to go above. Maybe it is again try to take the money and break. We want to break. On a break of structure. See, imbalance filled, market is going above. That's why we should not trust the imbalance. A lot of people want asking me that imbalance, can we sell buy? Yes, you can do that, but you can do maybe like a daily imbalance or weekly imbalance. That you can try. You can see imbalance is reacted and its price is going above. Now it's coming here. This is the ultimate level we are going to sell. Euro USD also did the same thing. It took the liquidity, at the same time it is reacting from the imbalance. I think imbalance is there here. Yes. We have imbalance here, right? Okay, from there only it is reacted. And it took the liquidity. Note this point. It took the liquidity. So it's approaching the order block. We want to sell from here. At least from here. 100 point we can put stop loss. Oh, sorry. Okay. Oh, today is the expiry also, right? I did not notice that. Today is Thursday. Bank Nifty expiry. Today RBI meeting and weekly expiry. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. I completely forgot that also. Now, what I'm going to do here, guys, we will be keeping these two trades. I'm not going to close these two trades. Whether it is giving profit or loss, that doesn't really matter. I'm going to keep this rest of the day. And if whatever the results coming, no, I'll share you guys in our group. Whether it's a positive or negative, whatever, I'll share you guys. Okay, I'm not going to close these entries. Now, one more tool I wanted to, in the past I used is Fibonacci, what do you call it? The time zones, Fibonacci time zones. In the past, when I say past, maybe some 6 years before, 6, 7 years before, I have used Fibonacci time zones. Fibonacci time zones is kind of people will be using for finding the next movement, next impulsive move. So, for example, if you let's go to this one. So you can go here. You can see Fibonacci fan somewhere here. I think here will be there. Fibonacci. This is the one. I think cycle lines. If you put the swing to swing, right? This is like I think the Fibonacci line will be there. I don't know where it is. Okay, let's see here itself. Okay, for example, you are on a 1 hour time frame. You are putting a Fibonacci fan. Okay, from swing low to swing high, something like this. Now it will give some intervals. You can see the intervals, and every time the blue line, right? The blue line, it's touching. From that, there will be some reversal will be happening. Like for example, you can see here after candle touching here, this line reversal will be happening. Similarly, the next time candle touch this level, the reversal will be happening. So something like that they are saying, but I'm not sure how powerful is this. So you can take a swing low to swing high, mark like this, exact high. So where is exact high? This is exact high. Okay, so every time price touch the now forget about this two line, next line you need to see. When price touch that line, from that it can either go up or go down. Like from there it will be looking for go up or go down. So some prediction tool this is. I have used this also in the past, but I don't think so whether it is success, it works really well or not. So you can see here swing to swing. When it is reached the next level, it will show some. It will change its direction. So when it reached this level, it will change its direction. Reach this level, it will change its direction. So something like that you can also have. You can also use if you want. But I'm not sure how powerful that. So that is let us take here swing low to swing high, or maybe swing high, this swing high. Okay, so here to here, so here it is not worked, here it is not worked, but here after reaching this blue line it is gone above. Now next down movement can happen from here, this line. When price comes here, touch here, or this somewhere here, it can go down. So that is a kind of some tool based on the Fibonacci numbers. So you can use that if you want. All right, still 23 people are there. Don't you get bored? If you guys have any commitments, anything, maybe you can leave. You are open to leave also. You don't need to be stick with the thing. You can leave the session also if you have anything to do. GPP JPY. GPY is definitely going to be sell. I can tell you that. It's definitely going to be a big sell. Maybe I think it will be happening in the evening news time. What happened to NZD? NZD, everything is struggling. If you go to this forexfactory.com, you can see a lot of what do you call it, forums are there. You can check. People used to share their threads. For example, Euro USD only. If you click that, you can see a lot of people will be like sharing their inputs. You can see January. Maybe we need to go in the bottom. So you can see their inputs, what they are looking for, today's trading, all those things will be there. But it's January 2, right? So let's go to the last page. 28 hours ago, right? August 9. So very simple words. There are people giving some their own understanding, their own. I was back then. I was part of this. I used to share my charts and all. Nowadays, I'm not doing that. You can learn so many things from this this community. Not forget about the indicators, indicator based trading. but you can learn more things about the fundamentals, fundamental how market moves and all those things. Okay, and this is the one of the best website to learn the forex market from the scratch, but they don't talk about the smart money strategy, so that I have to tell you. So you can see a lot of important informations, economy related informations, and everything will be there. You can see interactive trading, so people will be like sharing their charts interactively. August 10 2021. Okay, let's go back to the last thing. You can see that people are like sharing their charts, and you can learn more, so many things from here. Watching the limit, buy entry sell, and you can see some indicators there, some kind of analysis they are doing, volume profile they are placing, volume profile based trading. Okay, so that and all you can look. Some indicators, they will try to sell some indicators also, so that also will be there. This is overall good platform, but you need to log in, you need to create user ID and everything. Good platforms. I was there part of maybe in past 3 to 4 years before. I was there in this platform. Let's go to the market. So you may see the data related fundamental data and market, live market moving movement. So they have placed some indicators, right? The default 5 minute chart. Okay, let's go to 4 hour chart. So 4 hour chart, you can see 1 hour chart. Let's take a 15 minute chart. 15 minutes not there. Okay, this is a 5 minutes chart. Okay, you can expand that also. Indicators you can put MACD, moving average, breaking news, drawing, all sort of those things you can do. This is also a good platform to observe. You can easily switch through the what you call the charts also. You go to the home page, so you can click like this. You can see the chart, and you can see the performance last 1 hour, how many pips is changed. Last 6 hours, how many pips changed towards upside. Last 12 hour, how many pips changed towards upside, downside. So all those things are you can see, and related to this, you have a news coming, right? 4 hour in next four within four next 4 hour you are coming, the news is coming, so watch out for that. That is also it's saying. And also you can see Japan's news related to the Japanese yen news, USD JPY bulls, right? So some of people's predictions and everything will be there here. And this is something, brokers, how much they are charging and everything, commissions. This is the overall very good platform, but it's very underrated, to be frank. Nobody's using this. That Fibonacci is not required. Okay, that is not required, Arun Raj, because that is just, I cannot tell you how powerful that is, because I never tested that. I just used in the past. That's why I showed you guys, but that is not required. There is a one more tool called Fibonacci fan. Fibonacci fan. So you can like click like this, and you can mark swing to swing, swing high to swing low. Okay, let us change the color a little bit. So maybe like go to the tool. So let's change this into black. Okay, you can see some like this, swing low to swing high, then swing high to swing low, like this. Two fans you can put like this. Okay, so if I zoom in, so how they how they trade using, like for example, like swing high to swing low to swing high, and swing high to some from impulsive move to retracement. You can do this in a this also, like in the traditional Fibonacci tool. Like for example, harmonic pattern. A lot of you guys might hear about the harmonic patterns. Let's take a trading view. Trading is easy to see. Let's take a Reliance stock, Reliance futures. Okay, so take a Fibonacci tool. Where is Fibonacci? This is the one, right? Fibonacci retracement. Yes, Fibonacci time zone is there here. Okay, from swing low to swing high. You need to put some levels here. Standard Fibonacci levels. Here I don't have the standard Fibonacci levels. Maybe like we can click the default. Where is default? Okay, let's put some standard Fibonacci levels. Some 61.618, 786, 705, and 382. Okay, this is standard Fibonacci levels. So now you can see Fibonacci exactly touched here and gone the 70% and gone above. Okay, this is swing low to swing high, right? Similarly, you can take one more Fibonacci from swing high to swing low. This swing low. Okay, like that. So this will tell you exactly, like if I swing high to swing low to swing high, right? So from the impulsive move stopping point, from the retracement starting point to retracement stopping point. So you can mark like 2 Fibonacci like this, and when price for example here gone above, gone down, right? Now it is gone above. Okay, so when it come back to this fib points, from there you can look for buying what do you call it, the buying market. You can buy. Okay, so what is the point here is this is like some harmonic levels. So they are saying the harmonic levels, harmonic pattern. If you just go here, like maybe if I'm deleting here indicators, just search harmonic pattern. Okay, indicators. You click that, you will see some random harmonic pattern, maybe like a 15 minutes time frame, I guess. So you can you see the harmonic pattern? This is called harmonic pattern. It's look like a butterfly, so say the butterfly pattern. So bat pattern, or like it says bat, right? It's a bat pattern. So how this harmonic pattern is created? Based on the Fibonacci levels, from the low to high, from the high to low. Okay, then some high to low. So some calculation they are doing. So based on that only they are creating these patterns and all. So if you notice something in a detailed, in a deeper manner, this patterns and all like work on swing points. It's a manipulation, right? Swing point, that level is tested, price fell down. Okay, so everything is smart money. That's why I always say that you need to look for the smart money. You don't need to look for this bad pattern, this pattern, that pattern. That is not required. Okay, but Fibonacci, as I told you guys, Fibonacci time zone, right? So for example, you can click Fibonacci time zone from swing low to swing high. Okay, so what happened here? So forget about the first two. Okay, so when it touch this blue line, from there is a chance price can go down or reverse. If it is a bullish trend, it can become bearish. If it is a bearish, it can become bullish. But if you notice something here, if you go back a little bit, there is a manipulation candle. From that only it is reacting. It is not Fibonacci is doing the wonders. Okay, uh, this is manipulation. From the manipulation, it is reacting, but you can correlate. Similarly, the Fibonacci fan resistance. I don't know how to use this, but I forgot. So like this, from swing low to swing high. Again, you try swing low to swing high. Now you see craziest thing. Okay, maybe you can extend like this, maybe a little bit. Maybe we'll do one thing. We can take a 1 hour chart. Fibonacci fan, swing low to swing high. Okay, something like that. Maybe take a Forex. Swing low to swing high. So I think we need to put like this. Let us zoom in. This is crazy, right? It's kind of crazy. Now there's a square box, and as well as there is a kind of fan kind of thing, right? So both has same numbers. If you see this blue line, it says uh, 0.75. Okay, the same 0.75 will be there here also. Same 0.7 will be there here also, and same 0.75 will be there here. So everywhere 0.75 will be there. So similarly 6.18, all Fibonacci levels. So 50 percentage here, you can see the 50 percentage. So 50 percentage line and 50 percentage line. So when all cross together, when candles are touching 50 percentage like this. Now let's see some previous example. Okay, let's take this one, Fibonacci. Let's take the pure Fibonacci fan. Do we have pure Fibonacci fan? Fibonacci circles, Fibonacci arc, trend based time Fibonacci. We don't have pure Fibonacci fan. This is includes, I think, GAN also, I think. It includes the GAN square also. Let's take a GAN fan. From swing low to swing high, swing high to swing low, then swing low to swing high. Now both fans are correlating at somewhere. Okay, the both box are correlating somewhere. From that level, you can look for buy sell. That these lines, no, these lines are considered as a support and resistance line. These lines, all these lines are support and resistance lines. When prices reaches over there, from there it will be reacting. That is what they are trying to say using the Fibonacci or GAN. Okay, so my suggestion here is you can use like Fibonacci time zone, or this is the thing you can use. Fibonacci channel also you can use, like from here to here and from here to here. Okay, this is kind of channel. What is channel? What channel is nothing but like some trend lines. Instead of trend line, you can try this. Now every time we touch inside that the lines, right? Just observe every time we touch the lines. Touching the line, rejecting. Touching the line, rejecting to the upside. Okay, touching the line, rejecting the upside. So the extreme lines and the top lines and bottom lines, I mean bottom lines and top lines are important. Especially you will be having specific levels inside. Let's take the recent one. From here to here, from here to here. Okay. So you can see the levels 50, 0.618 and 0.7. You can modify this also. 0.618 is a golden level. So whenever it touch that level, you can look for buy or sell, depends upon the trend. So like that you can use. But these and all don't have any the proper way of trading. This is not like proper way of trading. You have the time zone. Yes, time zone, that was I was looking. Okay, from low to high. Okay. So now if price next candle is coming like this, Next candle is coming like this. It touches this line, this line. Okay, from there you can expect down movement. That is what they are saying. You can expect down movement. So you can look for sell from this level. If it is a buy market, you can look for sell. But if you see here, there is a, what do you call it? There is a level, swing level is there here. That's why it's going to react from that level, not because of the Fibonacci. Okay. What happened to our entries? Oh, it is touched. Here also it is imbalance is touched. Full 50% imbalance touched, but this level is not touched. Okay. Now understand one thing. The people, those who are joined from other forums, okay, these guys, right, we have like 20-25 people are there, but we have almost 5,000 students, 5,000 more than 5,000 students. Okay, these guys are paid money for learning these strategies. So it is not fair if I give my phone number, if you are discussing with me. It's not fair for these guys, right? These guys are paid money. Okay, so I hope everyone agree with on that. A lot of you guys are, I know some people giving my contact number with other people's, and they are contacting me. It's happening every single day, either through emails, all through WhatsApp, all through phone calls. It's happening. But the thing here is, it is not fair because of the people, those who are paid, right? If I give my number, I don't have any issue. I can give you my number anywhere. I can discuss with any person. But the problem is, other people's, those who paid, do you think these guys are kind of joke, right? So it's not fair, right? That's the reason. But you can participate, you can watch the recordings, we will be sharing this recording in the public forum. I have also given some information which is already there in the YouTube. You can check that, you can learn from that. You don't need to pay for learn. Okay, so you don't need to join the boot camp. You don't need to do that. You need to simply follow certain things, especially smart money strategies. A lot of people nowadays teaching, a lot of people having the content related to that in the YouTube. You can go and watch, you can learn. You don't need to talk to me, you don't need to join our bootcamp. That is not required. But at the same time, this, whatever the contact number, whatever these kind of live trading sessions and refresher sessions, psychology session, it is dedicatedly for those guys who trusted me, those guys who paid for me. For them only I'm doing this. Even in the TFE team, if you go and in TFE team, like Future University team, there are a lot of people teaching this trading thing, right? I think one more person also teaching smart money strategy. He's charging something around 5,000 rupees, I guess. Okay, they are not doing this this live trading session, or they are not doing the refresher session. I can pretty much sure, because yesterday in a master class, one of our student, one student expressed his what do you call, his feelings. He told me that sir, I also joined one more course. I paid 5,000 rupees. They told us that we will give you the live trading session and other things, but they have not giving, they are not responding properly. So that's the reason I'm really worried about joining any other courses like that. He told. That is what happening with this trading world. The mentors, those who are teaching, they may not handhold you for lifelong. But I I have some integrity, so I have like what you call the self discipline, that whatever you learn you need to pass through. If you charging money, you need to give 100 percentage. That is my motto. That is my way of trading, and my way of teaching, and my way of mentoring also. I used to tell the same thing in my wife also. So so if I got even 1 rupee from you guys, so I need to give you back the best knowledge. That is my agenda. So it is not fair for the guys who paid and who joined, because they trusted me, and these guys not even shared this recording with any other forum. So that is really, I have to say thank you for them, because a lot of people will be watching the recordings, and they'll be sharing their recording with other people's. Of course, that you can do, no problem. I don't have any problem with that. But these guys are having that integrity, that so I paid for this course. I joined this boot camp. I got the recording, and this recording is my money. It's my money, right? So it's your money. It's your money and my effort and your money. So you guys are like keeping the recording, and you can happy to share. That is your choice. But even if whether you are sharing or not sharing, that's not going to affect me anyways. Okay, but you guys are keeping that integrity, right? That I need to give you the what do you call it? I need to be loyal to you guys. So you are loyal to me, so I need to be loyal to you guys. That's the reason. Okay, but still people calling from the different numbers, and different persons calling. I respond to them simply that I cannot help, because there are a lot of peoples. It's already there. I need to help them, right? I need to help other peoples, those who are trusted me, those who are helped me. I need to help these guys. That is the reason we are conducting these sessions, because it's difficult for me to connect with every one of you guys. I know a lot of you guys are sending messages. I'm not able to respond to your messages because of the various other things. That is the reason we are connecting. That's the reason we are doing this. By the way, we can able to connect, interact. I can able to give you more services which I want to do, right? So that's the reason we are talking about the profit distribution, right? Once we make the money, we will give you the money. I will give you the money, and once we become, once this account becomes very good, and if I find you guys are doing really well, I will handing over this account to you guys. You can handle this account. Maybe in future I'll plan to give you the free funded account, maybe $5,000 account. I will purchase on behalf of you. I'll give you that. These are all I am expressing my gratitude to you guys. Okay, so these things, because you trusted me, so I'm gonna give you my best. But those who don't trust me, I cannot help, right? I know you have questions, you have confusions, but you don't need to come to me. You don't need to come to me. You don't need to join the boot camp. You don't need to attend the live streams. You can learn smart money strategy from the internet. Lot of sources available. Learn from the internet. Okay, so using that, you can again, you can trade. You can see the power of this strategy. Okay, you don't need mentors. But why some people are struggling? Because even after learning the strategy, we don't have patience. We are lacking on other things like psychology and the step by step process, all those things. That is the reason we need mentors. Otherwise, you don't need mentors. You can learn by yourself directly. Okay. Okay, please check 4 hour GBJP. Okay, let's do that. Sorry. It's again going above, right? It's not giving me any hope. Uh, mm. Oh, you want me to buy because of the, what do you call this, breakout structures and everything is created. It's buying, right? It's keep on buying, but this is not a proper break. 10 minutes, you can see the break. Swing point touched, gone above. Let's go back a little bit. Let's go to the daily chart. Let's see. It's again. It is like you have a equal high here, right? A weekly chart. Six hour. You had a manipulation. Right. What we can do now? We'll take a risk. How much is the stop loss? 130.8 again. Costly. We'll try to take a trade from here. We need to take a risk, right? Because market is like it's not showing any weakness. You know what? We'll wait. We don't want to take advance entry. We'll wait to price to touch here, then we'll buy. Straightforward, instant entry. Market order. Market order. Because I personally feel like that this market will be the great sell entry. Great sell entry is ahead. Okay, so I still have the hope that market will be selling than buying. But let's, if price comes here, let's try to take a trade. It's a blind trade and it's a risky trade we can take because still it is breaking the highs, breaking the highs, breaking the highs. Okay, so we'll be taking trade. How much is the stop loss here? 63 point. That we can take. That we can take. And USD is going down. USD is weak. And here also Canadian dollar also weak. So USD also weak, Canadian dollar also weak. That's why CAD JPY is going down. USD JPY also going down. Okay. In that situation, what about GBP JPY? So let's see the GBP USD. GBP USD came here, touched. Let's see, it's created equal low. Then I think it will come like this. It's not broken the low. It's not broken the 5 minutes swing point. The swing point is not broken. Unbalanced volume. So this black line is volume, the red line is price. Okay, this I have placed the OBV indicator, on balance volume indicator. Black line is your volume and red line is your price. Now, even though forex market don't have volume, you can consider this as a tick volume. Tick volume means, so for example, I am buying, you are placing buy order, everybody is placing buy order. So when everybody place buy order, so I'm buying one lot, you are buying two standard lot, other person is buying 10 standard lot. So it will count all those lot sizes and it will create this volume, on balance volume. Okay, so here you can see the red line is a price moving average, 20 period moving average. So price is below and volume is above, means even though prices are cheaper, the people are buying more. Prices are cheaper, people are buying more. That's why volume is increasing. Prices are low, volumes are increasing. Means the price of the product is 1 rupee, so everybody is buying more. Okay, so you can see here volume is kind of going down a little bit. Okay, we want to see it has to go below the price. If it is go below the price, we can say that prices are decreasing and volume also decreasing. So you can see here in this point volume is above the price, so volume is going down the price, right? Means prices also going down. You can see prices also from here to here, prices are going down. Prices already going down, volume is also going down. Means prices are cheaper, but people don't, even though it is cheaper, don't want to buy. People don't want to buy. Okay, but here even though it is cheaper, people are buying more. Okay, here even though prices are cheaper, people buying more, and you can slowly see prices are increasing, going upward slope. Prices are increasing, volume is also increasing. Means prices are increasing, the buying interest also increasing, people are buying. So here prices are increasing slowly, volume is also increasing. But now we reached this point, once it touched our manipulation zone, you can see volume is reducing, it's coming down. Okay, so we want to see volume is coming down and prices also coming down. In that situation, you can see the down movement. Okay, this is one of the way you can predict how prices are increasing or decreasing. You can see here, this is the price. From here, price increased to this. Okay, from here, price increased to this. Now just see the volume in the same area. Same area, see the volume. Volume was here. From here, volume is increased to here. So prices are increasing, volume is also increasing. Okay, this is called divergence. Okay, you can see that prices are increasing a little bit from the here to it's going slope, upward slope, right? Slightly increasing. Now, if you see the divergence, what do you mean by divergence? So, for example, here price is increasing, but here if you see volume decreasing, then you can think differently. For example, from here to here price is decreasing, right? Just see the volume in the same area. From here to here, volume is also kind of decreasing, slightly decreasing. So this is convergence. We can say convergence. So divergence means prices increasing but volume decreasing. So something like that, or volume increasing, prices decreasing. That is called convergence. Oh, sorry, divergence. That is really helpful to predict the reversals. To predict the reversal, that will be really helpful. You can use that also. For that, you can use RSI indicator, or you can use MACD. MACD also you can use. Volume based indicators you can use. You can try that. So, for example, this is a volume based indicator. So, let us delete this. Take a MACD. I'm sure you guys are used the MACD indicator. MACD indicator we need to use different way. Take a MACD. Where is MACD? Oscillators. Yeah, MACD. Okay, click that. So what you need to do here is just click that first. You will see some line here. That line is not required. So go here, go to the settings, remove that red line. Red line is not required, and you just need this bars that increase the size. Maybe put it red color and increase the size a little bit. So you can see the red color bar. The in between, in the center, you have some line is there. So maybe you can change that color. Black color. Oh, I don't know why it's not showing. There is a center, there is a line is there. So this is MACD in a default settings. Okay. Now you can see the mountains, right? Kind of mountain. Just see here. From here to here, price is increased, right? From here to here, price is increased. Now just see the same area. From here, prices are increased, right? There is no divergence here. Okay. This is convergence. It's kind of equal. Same time you can see prices are decreasing. So from here to here, prices are decreasing. Both are same. No problem with that. But sometimes you will see that the difference here. So here you can see from this to this, prices are decreasing. It's kind of downward slope, right? Not exactly, but downward slope. But just see here, what is this level? This is somewhere here, right? Somewhere here, right? What happened here? Prices are increasing. Do you see that? But here it's kind of flat, right? So what is trying to tell this? Even though prices are increasing, the strength is decreasing. Strength is decreasing. What is strength? Strength means buying strength or selling strength. It's decreasing. So based on this, you can directly sell here. You can directly sell. You can see here it is increasing, but here it is kind of flat or kind of decreasing. So based on that, okay, there is a divergence. Price is moving up, but strength is going down. Okay, strength is going down. Let us zoom out. Okay, you may see that it's kind of equal, but it is not equal. Even if it is an equal, there is no strength here. Even if you consider this is the equal, sir, this is kind of equal, then there is no strength. Price is increasing, but strength is kind of equal, or strength is kind of sloping down. So you can directly sell here from this swing point. Okay, like that you can do. So similarly, you can see here. What about this one? This is kind of right. Higher lows are created. Low, higher lows created. But just see here the same. This is low and this is high. Now you can see it's kind of, this is also sloping upwards. This is also sloping upwards. Now you can see here the strength from here to here. See the slope, but whereas this slope is very kind of flat, but this slope is really good. Means strength is really strong here. Strength is really strong. Even though prices are not moved very fast. Strength is really strong. That's why the big up movement happened. Big up movement happened from that swing point. Technically, this is a swing point. From the swing point only, it is reacted. From the swing point only, it is reacted. That is a different story. But you can include these kind of tools also for getting more what do you call it? Confluence. Okay. All right. All right, guys. I think everything is struggling. What we can do, we can wind up the stream, and I will keep these two trades open. I'll update you guys in the evening, or tomorrow morning. Uh, we'll next week we'll plan in the evening session. Okay, we'll plan in the evening session. Uh, so I have to complete this stream by 3 o'clock because I have other commitments, and that's the reason. So we wind up now, and I'll update you guys what happened to these two trades. Okay, and we will meet you guys next week by evening 5 o'clock. I'll allocate on time. Sometime maybe I will maybe Wednesday or Thursday. I will let you know, guys, and we will connect in the New York session. That would be really fun, I guess, than than the European session. Okay. And meanwhile, if time permits, next week we will connect once through the refresher session in English. I think I got promised that in last Monday. Not next Monday, it's not possible. Monday, Tuesday, because relatives are coming, so it's not possible to allocate time. But what we can do is maybe next week, like Friday or maybe like a Thursday morning, we can connect in a refresher session. Okay, in a lower time frame entries, I would want to discuss with you guys. If possible, we'll connect next week, or otherwise we'll postpone to the next week. Okay, and one other thing I wanted to tell you, like we need to discuss the second level psychology. Okay, first level psychology practices I have given. The next level we need to go in psychology also. So I have to conduct one more session on psychology, which is apart from whatever you learned. Okay, that is also maybe we'll plan by next week. Maybe next to next week Monday we will plan that. Coming Monday to next Monday, we'll plan that. And yeah, that is really important. Next level psychology. Okay, I have some 25, not 25, maybe like some 20 psychological techniques which I need to teach you guys. I just talked about only one thing. Okay, out of 20. Okay, we need to discuss that also. 19 more is there. Practices, certain psychology practices. How you can uh, attract certain things and everything. We need to discuss. It's been really long time. It's been really long due, so we need to do that also. That is really important than any other thing. Okay, we'll plan in maybe next to next Monday. And this stream is just a beginning. We will continue that in next week. And in between, if possible, I will be trading this account because I mostly wanted to trade in this account in live market with you guys in a live. So if possible, I will trade this account in between. If it is not possible, we will trade collectively in the weekly sessions. Okay. So I'm keeping these two trades, whether it is hitting stop loss or it is giving profit, that doesn't really matter. So I'll show you guys the result. Okay. So we'll connect you guys next week. I'll share you guys the this thing and recording and everything. If you want, you can go through. And thank you so much for joining this session. This is a first day session. We will continue to do this in next week also. Okay. Shall we wind up, or shall we wait for a few more minutes? Because I'm really wanted to take at least one trade, and also I have some other important thing to do in after 3 o'clock. Okay, I think we can wind up. We can wind up. It's been we can wind up, and then we'll discuss further. Felt really tired also. We need to have food also, right? We'll connect next week. Next week we'll try to connect in the evening. We'll try to connect in the evening. Okay. At least once in a week, in the evening. I mean, once in a month. All right. As I told you guys, we will connect next week, and I'll keep you posted with this trade also. So thank you guys. Thank you for joining this live stream, and I hope you got some insights. Unfortunately, we did not take any entry, but that's okay. We'll try to take a trade in the next week also. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for participating, and thank you so much for spending your time. We will connect with you guys next week, evening session possibly. All right, bye everyone. Bye. I'm stopping the live stream, and yeah, patience is required. Patience is required. Okay, so let me stop the stream, and you can access this recording in that stream link also. Okay, you don't need to have separate recording. You can directly access in the stream link itself. Okay, bye everyone. Bye. Have a great day. Let me put the end to the stream. Bye guys. Bye.